Next parameter is R out. The equation for R out is 1 by Gm parallel R0. That is including R0. Okay. Because we are dealing with case 1 with R0, so you have to include R0 while calculating R out. Who has joined with the name Elavarasan? May I know? May I know who is Elavarasan from your class?
Sir, it's my brother, sir. By mistake, I joined from his Zoom account, sir. Sorry, sir.
Okay. So 1 by Gm is 1 only, R0 is 150. So 1 parallel 150 is again 0.993 kilo. Okay. So here we can say that the output resistance is very less, right? Whereas the input resistance is very high. That is the buffering action. That is the ideal parameter for any buffer. So for a source amplifier, the parameters are the input resistance is very high, output resistance is very low, and at the same time, the voltage gain is closer to unity. So if someone asks, list out the parameters and characteristic features of a source follower means, what you will write? High input resistance, low output resistance, unity, gain, and application is buffering. Now coming to case 2 without R0. So we are going to find the same for parameters without R0. So take that results again. There is no change for Rn, it will be as such. And R0 can be neglected. So the gain will be again unity. The earlier equation, it was R0 divided by R0 plus 1 by Gm, right? So if it is case 2 means we have to neglect this R0. So AV0 will be 1 divided by 1 by Gm. That is nothing but your 1. Okay, so again we have a perfect unity gain here, AV0. So if you are discarding the effect of small letter R0, it will behave as an ideal source follower where the gain is perfectly equal to 1. Again, that depends upon the transconductance Gm. You know that the transconductance will be always, it will be closer to unity only. You won't have much higher transconductance value for a MOSFET whenever we are configuring it in a common drain mode. Then AV, what is the expression for AV? This we will discard R0. The previous equation was considering R0. This was the equation. In that we will discard the R0. So the effect is RL divided by RL plus 1 by Gm. RL is 15 kilo. 1 by Gm is 1. So the value is 0.937. So you can compare these two values. So whenever we are inserting the load resistance, the gain will decrease. So at any cost, open circuit voltage gain is always higher than the normal voltage gain. The normal voltage gain, we will connect the load resistance. So in that case, the output voltage reduces, because of which the gain will decrease. Coming to the last parameter, R out. Actual equation is 1 by Gm parallel R0. In that we will neglect R0. So the answer is 1 by Gm. So that will be 1 kilo ohm. Because it is milliampere, so that will come to the numerator. That is 10 to the power 3. That is nothing but 1 kilo ohm. So that completes the first part of this numerical. I hope you have taken down this. Any doubts you can ask. Then coming to the last part of this question, you are going to find GV. See, you are going to find GV for GV means overall small signal voltage gain with R0 taken into consideration. Okay. So find out the general equation for GV for a common drain configuration from that result, write the general expression, substitute all the parameters you have, RG, RSIC, 1 by GM, everything you have, capital RL, R0. Just you need to substitute and give me the answer for overall voltage gain with R0. Please do it. So no need for conversions here because both signal resistance and gate resistance both are in mega ohm. So no need for conversion. You can keep it as such because they will cancel. Mega ohm will get cancelled. So no need for conversion. And keep this resistance in kilo ohm itself. So that this fraction will also get cancelled. This fraction will also get cancelled. Units. So that we will get a dimensionless quantity. Answer is 0.76. So I hope everything is clear. So with this, we have finished second module. And I have already shared the notes. So please learn, revise thoroughly before the exam, and you can clarify the doubts you have through the Google Classroom. Okay, so let us stop here. So tomorrow we will start with the third module. Okay, thank you all.
Thank you, sir.